Hello everyone, how's it going? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to place a bracket order in Sharekhan Trade Tiger. In yesterday's video I gave you a solution for the bracket order issue, as sometimes brokers block the bracket orders when there is a high volatility. So I gave you the solution. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to place a bracket order in Sharekhan. Okay, here I took an example of Reliance stock, and here I'm going to show. Just click on the Reliance stock, and if you want to buy, you just have to select which you want to do. If you want to buy, you just click a buy or sell. So in action thing, there is, if you just click, there is a plenty of options. So buy big trade plus, sell big trade plus, buy sell. So what is this buy big trade plus, sell big trade plus? Before there was a margin rule. Broker was giving a margin, almost leverages almost 20 to 30 times. So when that time this was useful, buy big trade plus, if you just consider this, you were getting leverages. So this is what this is. But as if now, I'll just go to the normal buy button. So here in order type you have to select bracket, and just select the quantity which you want to trade. I'll just select one quantity, and in the price you have to select which price you want to buy, right? The current market price is 2070. So I'll just select 2650 I want to buy, and I want to place a stop loss of 2600. Let me just and my target would be 2750, right? Yeah, 2750. And if I just place an order, that's all. If you just press the confirm button, you can just place the order. The excellent thing here is you need not to wait for the market open to place an order. You can place the order after the market completes. You can place the order when the market completes after 4 p.m. You can just place the order at any time. But yeah, that's the very cool thing about this broker. And yes, if you are a working profession, you can just place an order evening or night, whenever you are convenient, and you just have to wait for the this thing. You just have to you need not to just manage the orders during the trading hours. So this is the beauty of this broker, and this is the solution. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, educational videos. And thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.